So this is a really interesting video that has to do with how to choose a lawyer and some particulars of this. There's a ton you need to know about that if you're going through a custody battle or a divorce. But this is interesting. We're on our Sunday night call. We have 3 calls actually on Sunday that are there to field for men who are going through this process, as well as other process and men's development and so on. But one of the gentlemen is 35 years divorced. And he was saying that it's very important that you get a lawyer in a firm. Now, sometimes it is, sometimes it isn't. But the argument within this is actually really interesting. So number one, if you're in a custody battle and let's say you guys settle or whatever, or, these types of things, you come up with some parenting plan, child support plan, all these different things. And a dispute happens later on down the line, which is very common. What this gentleman is saying is he's so thankful he was in a firm because if something happens to your lawyer, they leave, that lawyer dies, or whatever the situation is, the firm will take over the case. And this is important because you need to understand that in many states, child support isn't just till you're 18 years old or till they're 18 years old, I'm sorry. It isn't just child support, it could be medical. And these things could carry on into the 30s or into 28, 29, especially if there's a disability involved. If there's something in terms of college and that child goes to college, it may be till 23, like it is in the state of Texas, or 23, 22. And so there's all sorts of different things that come into play. You need to understand how particular the laws are in terms of all of this. You need to think it all the way through. If you're paying $200, $300, $400, $500, $1,000 extra a month in child support, it's going to add up over a long period of time, and you need to make the best decisions to prevent these things or look out for them. Just looking out for you guys. Come on our calls. Look at the Rising Man. Sign up for it. Look at our starter community as well in case you want more information on working through this in a group setting in a hive mind where we have 10 or 12 guys go through your case for you. And man, it's how guys win. Stay strong, guys. Stay alive.